And I also want to point out that this dried up a little bit, and this just shows that it stays put. Okay, and that is for $5. $5. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jazz with Jazz on My Style. I'm here to jazz up your life, your soul, and make you feel good about yourself. In today's video, I'm going to show you the new shade variations of E.L.F. Cosmetics liquid glitter eyeshadows. I'm going to swatch these beauties for you and show you how I apply them to my lids. So if you want to see your favorite E.L.F-aholic review these 3 new shades, then keep watching.
Light it up, and we slow. Keep me high up off the ground. In a haze, in the crowd. We ain't ever coming down. Down, 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 down. We ain't ever coming down.
So I did my face off camera. If you're interested in any of the products that I have on my face, I will link them in the description box. I did do a purple look on this side and a green look over here to complement the liquid glitter shadows. Of course, we're gonna do some swatches so you guys can see what they look like on the skin. And this one right here is Mermaid Shimmy, and I really love the name. I think it is so cute. This is what the applicator looks like. And right here, I'm just gonna put it right here. That is one swipe right there. So that looks really pretty. And looking at it up close, it does have like these very silver-ish flecks to it. So now let's go in with Purple Rain, which is this beauty right here. And we're gonna apply this right here. We're just gonna do one swipe. So pretty. Oh, I'm really, really liking that. And now we're gonna do Pinky Swear. Now this is the one that I thought looked very similar to Flirty Birdie, and I'm actually going to do a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see what I was talking about. On the skin, you can definitely notice that it is a very light, faint pink. And now that I look at Flirty Birdie, just looking at them together, you would assume that they were the same, but I do notice now in the light that you could see a little bit more of the pink, and this one looks more like a light beige. So I'm gonna put that right here on the bottom so that way you guys can see that yes, there is definitely a difference. Maybe not on camera. You know what? I'm gonna creep you guys in on my phone camera so that way you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So there we go. That is so much better. You can definitely see the difference. So yes, that is a pink color, and this one is more of like a golden beige. So we do have the Mermaid Shimmy, Purple Rain, Pinky Swear, and this one is not part of the new color variation, but I just wanted to compare the two. So disregard the bottom one, but those are the shades up close with just one swipe. They look so pretty. So I got you guys as close as possible so you guys can see me place this on my lids. I did use the E.L.F. Cosmetics Putty Eye Primer. This one is in Rose. This is my favorite putty primer out of all of them because I just like the consistency a little bit better. So I did use that right here to kind of like create a cut crease, and I'm using my J Kissa mirror while I apply Purple Rain here onto my lids. Yes. And I wanted to just put this one on without any eyeshadow underneath, just so you guys can see that you can create a look with the glitter shadows on its own. You don't necessarily need to put an eyeshadow underneath unless you want to use this as a topper to make your eyes pop, but you don't really need to. I noticed that the eye putty primer works just fine, and it holds it in place and just looks so, so pretty. Oh, so there we go. I'm just like really coating her on there nicely. The applicator is perfect because it allows you to carve it out nicely. I think I'm just gonna be a little extra, just apply a little bit more. Oh, that is gorgeous. Now let's go in with the Mermaid Shimmy. Right here on the other side, of course, same product on my lid. And let's go in. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, look at that, y'all. That is so, so flippin' pretty. I am so amazed by that. And I also want to point out that this dried up a little bit, and this just shows that it stays put. Okay, and that is for $5. $5. That's insane. I just want to remind you guys that this thing is $5. Very comparable to the Stila liquid shadows, but it does contain quite a bit of glitter. I'm not mad at it. I feel like it makes my eyes pop. I'm gonna use the pinky swear on my lower lash line just to use like a little accent, so I can use all three. And I'm actually going to use a slanted brush. This one is from their Retro Paradise collection. I'm gonna take that pinky swear product and I'm gonna apply that right here onto the brush, so that way I look like I know what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. So there we have it, y'all. I have Purple Rain on this side with Pinky Swear right here on the lower lash line, and over here I had Mermaid Shimmy on my left side, again with Pinky Swear right there on my lower lash line. Very, very glittery, but as you can see, it gives like that really nice seductive pop right there. So pretty. I know I didn't apply my lashes correctly, but please don't judge me, okay? I am still very much an amateur, but I just wanted to show you guys what the liquid glitter shadows look like. Up close, they're so beautiful. I just want you guys to really appreciate the amazing quality of these liquid glitter shadows. I would like to see some matte ones in the near future. I know they had matte liquid shadows in the past, but I would love to see them do an extension of that. So hint, hint, E.L.F, if y'all listening. All right, let me creep you guys out, but that is very pretty, right? So that is it, my loves. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Final thoughts on these products. I really love them. I own every color that they came out with, and I really do enjoy them. They're perfect as toppers. They're perfect on their own. And as you saw, like, they did not budge. They are really long lasting, and for the price, it's like, it's unbeatable. It's unreal that you get this good of a quality in a liquid shadow for the fraction of the cost. Like, it's really insane. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. And if you're not already, click that subscribe button so you can become part of the Jazz Hands family, and also tap that bell so you can be notified every time I upload new content like this. Let me know in the comment section below if you plan on purchasing their new liquid glitter shadow shades. Let me know in the comment section below. This is Jazz with Jazz and My Style. Till next time, y'all, spread love. Peace. Oh, I'm looking like a glow goddess, honey.